We are here at the final conference of CityxChange after 5 years of really a lot of work by a lot of people. All of our 7 cities are here and we have about 160 people here today, and we are very excited to learn from them, talk with them and exchange ideas. The goal of the project originally was to showcase that positive energy districts can be made to happen in an urban environment. And we succeeded in showing that it can be done in a feasible way, in an efficient way, in a way that financially makes sense, that it reduces emissions. We also know that if we want to scale this up, we need a toolbox of multiple solutions that adapt to the local context. So we've got a lot of learning out of that and a lot of really good examples of how this can be done.
It's sort of empowering to see it come to the end of what was a very ambitious project. To go back 5, 6, 7 years ago when it was probably a sparkle in somebody's eye. And it's nice to see how some of the cities have done things slightly differently, because we all have our own unique challenges. It's heartening that we're at the end, probably a little bit of relief too, but of course, look, this is only the springboard to the next steps.
I'm most proud of the way in which we've seen some of the cities come alive over the course of the project, where what might have been kind of timid early on has become a real accomplishment in a lot of these cities. And I mean, these are smaller cities, and the things that they've been able to achieve in their own distinct ways have really been astonishing, and it's been a real pleasure to be able to witness that.
The whole Smart Cities ecosystem and also the Scalable Cities initiatives are not about technology. They're most importantly about people that meet in conferences like this. They meet in the cities and they make them actually livable for themselves and for everybody else. And I think that is the future of Europe.
What I think is important to carry on is radical collaboration. Whether it's energy or transport, data or social innovation, the collaboration across different interests and stakeholders is very important. We need to integrate all of these different interests into our projects.
So what comes next is a really interesting question. We have managed to build a lot of ideas and solutions that will last after the project. So some of the concepts have been tested and we've been refined in a way that they could make their way into climate action plans and so on. So 5 years are coming to an end and we have solutions that I think we can all be very happy and proud of.